presentation will be on NMR spectroscopy. There we go. It wasn't working. Alright, the development of NMR. Okay, NMR is essentially a huge magnet that uses the laws of physics to figure out physical, chemical, electronical, and structural information about molecules, such as determining the 3D structure of proteins. It is a technique for determining the structure of organic compounds, and strong magnetic fields are necessary to see the nucleus of the atoms. And it all started with Bohr's quantum theory in 1920. There's no one who really invented it. It was just a whole bunch of scientists going off the ideas of other scientists. And then in 1961, Schullery, he's invented the first commercial NMR spectrometer to give highly reproducible results. It was called the Varian A60 High Resolution Spectrometer. And this is just a picture of how spectroscopy works. I don't really understand it, but okay. I'm sorry. The implementation into the market, it started with Bohr in 1920 and then continued up to Schullery and through today. That's a picture of Schullery. The expected applications of NMR was a technique for chemical identification, and it aids in research of polymer chemistry and physics. And in pharmaceuticals, it is used for the elucidation and confirmation of structures to determine the impurity of a drug, if it's impure at all. Okay. And it's a characterization of the composition of drug products. Alright, unexpected applications. Its unexpected applications were uses in medicine, hence the little smiley face bill. I like that picture. In medicine, it wasn't expected to image as well as be a tool to study metabolism, diagnose malignancy. Yeah, that word, Alex. Thank you. And revival of brain function. It was also not expected to determine the structure of genetic material such as DNA and RNA, carbohydrates, and other molecules. Advantages. It is the only spectrometer which gives a complete analysis and interpretation of the entire spectrum. It is non-destructive. It gives accurate data for samples weighing less than a milligram. It can also determine the 3D structure